Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tamar, also known as Musings of a Curvy Lady, and today on Style Diaries, we are talking about the big color of the year, pistachio. We are going to be seeing it everywhere, and I'm talking about from bags to boots to coats. It's going to be everywhere. So I wanted to show you a couple of different ways of how you can incorporate it into your wardrobe and make it real world wearable. There's a lot of trends out there, but how can we make it really work for us in our real worlds? So if you're interested in seeing how I do it, please keep watching. I'm so excited about going into spring. What gets me so excited is the fact that we're seeing the possibility of wearing new trends, and the color pistachio is going to be really, really big. It's a beautiful shade. To me, it's giving a little bit of spring pastel, but we could still make it very earthy. We can make it work for winter, and I feel like this is going to be something that is going to be an unexpected color to bring out in your wardrobe throughout the year. It's really, really cute. Like, work with me here, just follow me. So this color, we're gonna see it everywhere on the runway, and I've been seeing it in accessories, sweaters, but I wanted to show you 5 different looks on how, as a plus size girl, you can have fun with this trend, but still make it something you would want to wear in the real world. So this first outfit is a really great example of how to do that with a hero piece. I feel like I'm the last person on the planet to get this cardigan. It's probably something you've seen on your FYP. I know for me, I've been seeing it everywhere, and I finally was influenced to get it. It's from Urban Revivo, and this cardigan is a hero statement piece. Like, I'm like a sexy alien, you know? I'm giving, like, I could be on Roswell, you know, back on the WB. Look at it. I mean, it's a work of art. This sweater is gorgeous because not only is it something I would want to wear, it's fun, it's eye-catching, but it's really flattering. It's ribbed, and then it has this one closure here that is it's a faux closure. Actually, no. So it is a turn lock closure. You have 2 of these, and it creates a really beautiful shape, this illusion with the waist, and then it drapes out over my hips beautifully. I wanted to create a monochromatic look, but also wanted to add a pop of color. And in this instance, we're using chocolate brown. I wanted to use chocolate brown as the pop of color, and we did that with tights and boots. I really like how it really is balanced. We have all the green on top and then the chocolate on the bottom. The skirt is so fun. I actually was going to return this because I didn't think it was gonna work for me, and I'm so glad I forgot about the return and it was too late for me to return it. It turned out so perfect with this cardigan. I got this from Eloquii. I'm wearing a size 18, and as a big girl with hips and booty, like, this was the perfect fit for me, even though initially I thought it wasn't. So just keep that in mind. If I went up a size to a 20, it would have been so big in the waist. It fits me perfectly, and this will stretch a little bit with wear. This obviously is a pretty, like, dressed up look, so I do want to show you a couple of different ways on wearing this particular cardigan in a more casual, chic way. So this next look mirrors the first look. Instead of wearing a croc mini skirt, I'm wearing croc wide leg pants. So it's still a statement because you have the fabric piece, but because it's a wide leg pant, it's very chic. It's very something I feel you can wear to the office, but you're definitely gonna be a statement. I love this look so much, and because the pant leg is wide enough, I can actually wear the same boots from Vince Camuto and you can't tell, and these boots are so comfortable. It matches so perfectly. It just elongates my silhouette, and like I've mentioned before, I am 5'4", I'm a shorty. I have a tall personality, okay? And it just makes me look and feel taller, and because I have the personality of someone that's 6'2", it just works for me. I added this bag. I actually found it from TJ Maxx. I went to Boston this past weekend to visit my friend, and literally as soon as we got, like, from the airport, we went to TJ Maxx. Like, that's our favorite thing to do because you find gems like this. It's 100% Italian leather suede. I just knew I needed it, even though I have a bag this color. I don't have one this fabric, and that counts. It's different. The gold and the green of the bag and the gold and the green of the cardigan. I mean, it's so good. Things like this scratch my brain in the best way. Oof, I love when that happens. She's chic, she's bossy, and she's the boss. On to the next. All right, this last way of wearing this cardigan, I paired it with some barrel jeans because I wanted to keep the play of shape. You couldn't catch me wearing barrel jeans when they first were like reappearing, and I was like, no, that is an abomination. But look at me now, look at me now. I'm like wearing barrel, I actually have a few pairs, but this one I got from Anthropologie. The dark denim is like more chic, cool. I love how it works with the green cardigan, and I wanted to keep it like cool and chic, but still casual with these mesh kitten mules from Dolce Vita. I love them. They're gonna be a really great staple as we get into spring, a little bit warmer, so we can show those ankles again. Oh my gosh, it's been freezing in Florida. It was cute for a weekend, but this is diabolical. I added my horse bag again, and I added these gold frame blue light frames that I got from Amazon years ago, but I just love the touch of cool that it adds to any outfit, including this one. So now let's get into more looks with the color pistachio. Another outfit that looks like a snack. I look like a chocolate chip cookie. This is truly a pistachio monochromatic look, and it's from Amazon, which is amazing. The top is fun. Let me show you. It has this asymmetrical top and giving you some shoulder shimmy action, which will be perfect to transition into the springtime. I love a light knit. You can just wear this with jeans, skirts, whatever. And it's just like the perfect add of coolness, panache, style, and it's just interesting to look at, you know, give them a little shoulder. But this look really is simple because it's only two pieces, it's the same color, and then we're using brown to kind of tie it all together. So the same Vince Camuto boots in chocolate with the matching chocolate clementine bag from the horse just adds the chicness and finesse. This would also look great with an overcoat, and there is a coat from Amazon that I recently got that would be perfect. Let me show you that with this entire look. And now this is a full Amazon look. Like, how chic is this monochromatic play on pistachio? I love this so much. This coat actually does come in two other colors. It's under $120 and it's up to a 4 or 5X if I'm not mistaken. This is such a great quality coat. I wore this when I was in Boston. It was so chic, kept me warm, and it has functional pockets because who does that? We've already addressed this. Diabolical. This outfit would be perfect for church or worship, or honestly just slaying in the office, which I'm not opposed to. And I'll have everything linked down below in the description box, but let me know so far which look is your favorite. I'm gonna show you one last look, and it's probably my favorite because it's giving 90s it girl. This last look I love because it's a set and it's so easy to style. Honestly, you don't really have to do much because it's doing the work for you. The set is actually from Eloquii a couple months back, but I believe it's still available. And for reference, everything that I post that it is available will be down below, as well as some alternatives if it is sold out or if it's old. We're using chocolate brown a lot in this video. It's just a really easy color to pair with this pistachio. It works really great with this outfit. The drape top is from Boohoo, tights are Amazon, and Vince Camuto boots. They're handy dandy, we love them, and just added my Fendi baguette as a little pop of color play as well as print. This look is probably my favorite because I feel like I'm Mary Tyler Moore or something. Obviously like the plus size black version of that. Same width though. Anyway. I hope you guys found this video helpful and it allowed you to feel like you can play with this trend of pistachio. It's going to be everywhere, and I fully believe that you can incorporate and have fun with it in your own wardrobe and make it real world wearable. Everything will be linked down below, but let me know, comment which outfit was your favorite, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a curvy lady video. I do a video every Sunday at 2 p.m. so I would love to see you, and we have a few now so you can binge watch. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.